Okay, this is the starter. So it seems like the starter is faulty. So I'm gonna just check with you guys inside the vehicle before I moved it. And work at the same time. So, but always when you do that, don't forget to remove your battery. So I'm using 13 millimeter, yeah, 13 millimeter socket, small ratchet set. Okay, okay, so yeah, that's it. I'm gonna show you once it's out because I can't work and hold. Okay, so now guys, as you can see, the starter is loose. Yep. I'm gonna take it inside the workshop. Let me see. Okay, so now I'm gonna repeat the same process as I was doing when it was inside the vehicle. I'm gonna do it on the bench here and show you. Okay, negative is one. So I'm gonna go from small to big. As you can see, I'm going from the big one to that small, starting line. It's just clicking, and then I'm putting direct into the brushes. Direct through the wire goes to the brushes, just sparking. So it's indication that it shows that brushes are finished. So I'm gonna strap it and show you. Next step. Okay, so now it's 8. I'm gonna loosen this one. I'm gonna loosen now the brake cover. This is starter is corsa CDTI. It's diesel. So I'm gonna just strap it quick and see what is happening on the back cover here. It looks like this starter is wet. Looks like it's been some oil leaking on it or is diesel leaking on it. So I'm not sure which one is there. So I think that is the cause of it. If the brushes are too wet. See how dirty it is inside. Seems like diesel has been leaking into it. So it's got like this pin in here. So I'm gonna just get this pin off. Okay, use screwdriver. You took this pin off. As you can see, the brushes are completely finished. You see, brushes are finished. Let me just check the armature if it's right, because sometimes the armature also Let me just wipe it nice for you so you can see. The armature also is a little bit damaged, bent out there. So it can be brushes. So when I did recondition, completely recondition, it will be brushes, brush box set, and armature, and I will test the Bendex and solenoid also. So okay, that's it for now, guys. Thank you.